Pleased to welcome you to this orientation on Cisa, Certified Information Systems Auditor. We're all aware of the traditional audits that all of us are familiar with, which is mainly financial audit. But when you get to IT environment, that is for organizations that are computerized, auditing becomes information system auditing. It is no longer restricted to financial audits because there are various components of the information system. You have the hardware, you have the software, you have the people, you have the processes, you have the network. The hardware consists of your computers, your printers, the various computers, be it laptop, be it desktop, be it your servers, and so on and so forth. Your software consists of your operating system, your databases, the applications that you run, including financial applications, including the ERPs, including the HR, all sorts of applications that you run in an organization. All these are supposed to be audited. So that is why we talk about information system auditing. What Cisa now attempts to do is to take you through all these gamut. How do you audit these systems that we are talking about? And the platform where this thing is done, where people acquire the training, is the Cisa program. So, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this orientation program. Today, we are not just gathered to learn about certification. We are here because the world around us is changing, and with change comes the need for new skills, new opportunities, and new mindsets. Call yourself a chartered accountant. To what extent have you acquired the right skills to be able to operate in this new environment, in information system environment? As we begin, let me share with you 10 powerful reasons why embracing the Cisa certification is one of the most important decisions you can make right now. Number one, global recognition and prestige. Number two, high demand across industries. By the way, I will not be able to go through all the details of this speech, but I'm going to drop it for you so that you will see the fine details. I'm just picking on the headings. Number three, expanded career pathways. Number four, higher earning potential. Number five, enhanced professional credibility. Number six, remote work and dollar-denominated opportunities. Number seven, broadened expertise in risk management and cybersecurity. Number eight, competitive edge in the job markets. Number nine, opportunity for leadership roles. Number 10, commitment to lifelong learning and growth. Dear participants, these are not just benefits, they are opportunities to transform your lives. The digital economy needs a new kind of professional, one who can audit, assure, advise with confidence in a complex world. The professional is the Cisa certified expert. That professional is you. At AJ Silicon, We are fully committed to supporting you on this. We will equip you with the knowledge, the skills, and the community you need to thrive, not just today, but for the future ahead. I urge you, seize this opportunity with both hands. Dream big, stay committed. The world is waiting for your contribution. Thank you, and I wish you a fulfilling and inspiring session.